Today we are going to talk about our food. From where do we get food? What are the kinds of food? What is junk food? What are the food for different age groups? What are the good food habits? How many meals do we have per day? Food is our basic need. It helps us to live. It keeps us healthy and fit. We get food from plants. Plants give us different types of foods. They give us cereals like wheat, rice, and maize. They give us pulses like moong and gram. They also give us fruits and vegetables. We can also get food from animals. Animals give us food like meat, egg, fish, milk, and honey. I would love to know that are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? Kinds of food. There are different kinds of food. Rice, potatoes, butter, cheese, and sugar are energy giving food. Energy giving foods give us energy to work, play, and think. Cereals, pulses, peas, milk, and eggs are called bodybuilding foods. These foods help us to grow. They build up our bones and muscles. Fruits and vegetables are protective foods. They help us to be healthy. Junk food. Noodles, pizza, burger, chips, and sandwich are called junk food. Junk food is not good for our health. But do you know why? Because it is oily and contains a lot of sugar or salt. Too much sugar, salt, or oil is bad for our health. Food for different age groups. People of different age groups need different types of foods. A baby needs soft food and milk. A young boy or girl needs more bodybuilding foods
An
because
old
he or
person
she
also
also
needs
needs soft food. He or she needs food like oats, pulses and rice, etc. Good food habits. You must have good eating habits to stay healthy. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Eat fresh and clean food. Chew your food well. Do not eat uncovered food sold by hawkers. Drink plenty of water. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Clean or brush your teeth after eating. And never waste food. How many meals do we have a day? We have 3 meals every day. We have breakfast in the morning, we have lunch in the afternoon, and we have dinner at night.
But I also eat light food in between these meals.
Yes, we all eat light food in between our meals.
So, what do we call it?
These light foods are called snacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.